Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make oatmeal yogurt. This easy method requires just a few basic ingredients you likely already have on hand. First, gather your rolled oats, your favorite yogurt, and some milk. Opting for plain yogurt provides a versatile and healthier base, allowing you to control the sweetness. You can use any milk you prefer, whether it is dairy milk or a plant-based alternative like almond or oat milk. Let's get started. Now that you have your ingredients ready, let's combine them. Take a jar or a small bowl and add about 1/2 cup of rolled oats. Next, spoon in approximately 1 cup of your chosen yogurt. Finally, pour in about 1/4 cup of milk. This amount of milk helps achieve a smooth, creamy consistency. Stir everything together thoroughly until the oats are well coated and the mixture is uniform. This forms the perfect base for your delicious treat. This is where you can truly make your oatmeal yogurt your own. To add some sweetness, stir in about 1 tablespoon of honey or maple syrup. For a burst of freshness, incorporate some fresh fruits like blueberries, raspberries, or sliced bananas. You can also add a pinch of cinnamon, a dash of vanilla extract, or even some chia seeds for extra nutrients. Mix these additions gently until they are evenly distributed throughout your oatmeal yogurt mixture. Get creative with your favorite flavors. Once you have customized your oatmeal yogurt, it is time for the final, crucial step: chilling. Cover your jar or bowl tightly and place it in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours. For the absolute best creamy texture and flavor, I highly recommend letting it chill overnight. This allows the oats to soften perfectly and absorb all the delicious flavors. In the morning, simply give it a quick stir and enjoy your incredibly easy, healthy, and satisfying homemade oatmeal yogurt.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.